welcome back to Projects of Wellington. Today we're going to be comes off the manifold, so now that's loose I can now pull the manifold out, I guess. Finally got the exhaust manifold out. It took a while, but we got it out. Got it laying on my back, and there it is. It's out, so now we can disconnect that from there. Hopefully, then we can put it all back together. Finally cut this off the exhaust. Took a lot of hard work to get that off, to be honest. I've been here all day. There you go, that just needs putting back up now and then re-bolting in. How dirty that is. Do they bloody clean? Woo, bloody clean. So next job is to maybe just have a clean out of that, and then we'll stick it back in underneath and bolt it up again. Should be easier now because we've got a bit of a easier access to it. Manifold back on down here, and that would mean that we need to find the two holes there to meet up. First, I'm guessing it's around here. Yeah, they're the two, so at least we know which way it's got to go. I've put this hanger here because once it's in place I need to hang it, obviously, because I'm going to be underneath, and then hopefully we'll be able to get that back on. So that's the job for today. We've refitted all the bolts to the manifold now and re-clipped up that connector there. Can't connect the other one up until the new exhaust comes, but that should be in the next episode. So